I'm here at Bicycle Junction. Yes, I'm just taking a ride. I have picked up some plastic, actually quite a bit. But I wanted to come in and say hi to these guys because they're doing cargo bikes and electric bikes like it's going out of style. So let's go check it out.
It's pretty awesome computer. Yeah. What's the part that they've got on there?
Batteries, drivetrains, just to make carbon.
Yeah, so there's no company place like saying it's about right. Just like, I don't mind this.
Bit of a bummer on the rain ski here. I'm stopping for it. Well, I make videos about picking up plastic, and I also take the wrong train every now and again. This one took me way up the road. And guess what? If I didn't take the wrong train, this bottle would remain. I dedicate this bottle to wrong trains. I dedicate that half bottle to wrong trains. And I dedicate that mini fruit drink bottle to the guy not charging me for taking the wrong train. So what's the moral of the story? The moral is, no matter where you go, there's always some plastic or aluminum to pick up. So here's to getting back to Eastbourne. We're talking about another 30K. Because I'm not taking a train back to Wellington. So check it out, I did it. Alright, let's see where this road goes to. It says it's residential. Need to find a cafe. T number 2. This is why I ask you people. A little bit of help on Patreon. I think the rain gods are going to be good to me. And since I think they are, and I know they will, I'm going to do this. Even though I'm 15 kilometers off track, that bike's working good. I'm in high spirits, and I've seen this 2-liter, and I'm taking it with me. Easy. I don't like that bag, so I'm taking it with me. And Coke cans seem to be a theme earlier on today, so I'm taking it with me. Picking up plastic, and I don't know where I am. Plastic, you get lost. Ooh, I could almost use a high protein shake right now. The rain's letting up a bit. There's a lot of plastic this way. Who knew? I never rode down here before. There'd be less if I had. The plane, boss. I'm here. I'm lost. I'm here. I've never been so happy to be lost. And a 2-liter. And a Fanta. And a cup. All we're missing is a bottle of Jack. Oh my God, there's another one. Hang on. Undo. I seen another one. I'm doing my part. Doing my part. Oh, please don't rain on me, because I'm going to use that garbage bag. I'm going to use that garbage bag. Start bagging this stuff. See you on the other side, baby. Those train people don't like it when you take the wrong train. I promise, Cuba, I'll get these into a recycling bin. Even the aluminum. Labor of love. Thank God it's not raining. Let's get down. Over here! Over here! Oh, I see a straw. Like a song, come on, you can join in anytime. Join in. I'm really climbing up the hills here, heading towards Johnsonville. Look what I found. I'll empty it later. I gotta get on the other side of this hill. This one is sheer adventure. I'm eating chicken. There's no way I'm gonna be able to get back there without eating chicken. Trying to conserve my battery as much as possible. bottles back on that road. It was incredible. Right now, look at that plastic. I can't stop. I got about 20 bottles. I got like 25K to go. I had to buy a bottle of Powerade. Do you believe that? Hopefully one day when the weather's a little nicer, I'm gonna do this ride again, because there's a lot of bottles back there that need picking up. And now I'm not joking. I was going by one every 15 feet. All right, I gotta start navigating here. Look where I'm at. Always an adventure. Oh my God, the sun, thank you God. About another hour, I should be in Petone. See where that rainbow is? That's where I'm going, Eastbourne. That's no lie. That's exactly where I gotta ride to, those white dots over there. Better concentrate here. I don't think this is a place for video taping. Hey! Ooh, is that an RZ? All right. Today's been more than an adventure. It's a little difficult for me to speak because my face is cold right now. I know where I am. I'm in Petone, but I did come across this, which is cool. And this is exactly what I'm talking about. The plastics invading the water system. I mean, I feel like a tour guide. We have to keep it clean, piece by piece. Anyways, I've picked up a lot today. The fat bike's been performing extremely well. The motor's good. And I don't know what else to say. I gotta keep it down. I gotta keep the chit chat to a minimum and the doing to a maximum. I've got about 12K, I think, to go, maybe a little bit more. Just do these crazy adventures, you know. I'm going on and on here. I want to talk about Patreon. I don't care anymore. Yeah, that's it.